Greetings, fellow explorers of the cosmos. Today we stand on the precipice of a new era. An era powered by artificial intelligence where the impossible transforms into the inevitable. This is the dawn of MatterGen AI. Imagine a world where complex problems unravel with ease, where creativity knows no bounds. A world where the power of AI is not confined to labs but accessible to everyone. This is the promise of MatterGen AI. A revolutionary technology poised to redefine the boundaries of human ingenuity. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of MatterGen AI. We'll explore its inner workings, its boundless potential, and how it's changing the world as we know it. Fasten your seatbelts. Our adventure into the future of intelligence begins now. MatterGen AI is not just another algorithm. It's a powerful ally, a tireless collaborator in your quest for solutions and creative breakthroughs. Imagine a digital brain capable of analyzing vast datasets, recognizing patterns invisible to the human eye, and generating novel ideas at lightning speed. That's MatterGen AI in a nutshell. At its core, MatterGen AI excels in three crucial areas. First, it optimizes decision-making by providing data-driven insights and predicting future outcomes. Second, it empowers you to solve complex problems with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Third, it fuels your creative fire by generating innovative solutions and pushing the boundaries of imagination. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, MatterGen AI is here to augment your capabilities. It's the ultimate tool for navigating the complexities of our world, unlocking hidden potential, and shaping a brighter future. One of the most remarkable aspects of MatterGen AI is its capacity for adaptive learning. Unlike traditional AI models, which require extensive pre-programming, MatterGen AI thrives on new information. It learns from every interaction, every data set, and every challenge you throw its way. Imagine a student who not only absorbs knowledge but also understands the context, anticipates questions, and even teaches itself new subjects. That's the power of adaptive learning in MatterGen AI. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes, tailoring its responses to your specific needs and preferences. This constant evolution ensures that MatterGen AI remains relevant and effective no matter how rapidly the world changes. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, constantly updating their knowledge and adapting their skills to meet the demands of a dynamic world. In a world saturated with information, MatterGen AI stands out with its multimodal capabilities. It doesn't just process text, it sees, hears, and understands the world much like we do. From analyzing images and videos to interpreting audio and sensory data, MatterGen AI breaks down the barriers between different forms of information. This multimodal mastery opens up a universe of possibilities. Imagine a doctor using MatterGen AI to diagnose diseases from medical scans, a musician collaborating with AI to compose breathtaking symphonies, or an architect designing sustainable cities with the help of AI-powered simulations. By seamlessly integrating different modes of input, MatterGen AI provides a more holistic and nuanced understanding of complex problems. It's like having an extra set of senses, allowing you to perceive the world from multiple perspectives and unlock insights that would otherwise remain hidden.